Hello. Oh, I see. You have returned because you're addicted to Ricoh GR3 film recipes. Yes, my evil plan is working. No, but welcome back, everyone, to the channel. And I've got a new film recipe that I've been testing out for the last couple of weeks. It's called, what am I going to call this one? Summer Bleach Film. And I've never really been a huge fan of the bleach bypass kind of picture profiles. There's one built into the Ricoh. There's also one built into the Fujifilm cameras. I think the newer ones, some variation on it. I never really loved it, but I took the one that was in the Ricoh and I've been tweaking it a little bit and added some saturation, added some contrast, and tweaked some other settings. And I'm relatively happy with what I got. I think there's probably going to be a lot of people who like this one, even though I don't love it. So I decided to release it on my website. As with all my recipes, these are free. Maybe I should start charging for preset packs. No, we'll leave them. We'll keep them free on the website. There's a link down in the description. And if you enjoy the photos, there's a hashtag. What did I make that hashtag? Hashtag Ricoh Film Recipe. If you tag that on Instagram, I'd love to check out your work. And thanks for everybody who's been supporting the channel. Hope you enjoy the photos and the recipe.